after constant speed method, you set that load value 0, and after you go for off the button and go for constant head. One more experiment. Here we are maintaining the delivery head is constant. Delivery head means that pressure, we are finding out the pressure before hitting the vanes. And what is the delivery head? That we are measuring using pressure gauge, and then kg per centimeter square. But here we are maintaining the constant head 3 kg per centimeter square. In the last experiment, last procedure, constant speed we are maintained, but here constant head 3 kg per centimeter. Using this butterfly handle, maintain the constant head 3 kg per centimeter square. So keep the butterfly in 3/4 of the 3/4 direction, and here no worry about constant speed, the speed, and no need to maintain the speed constant. And here need to maintain the head constant, that is 3 kg per centimeter. Here the flow direction, regulating the flow around half or 50% turn rotation. So here in that also we can maintain the gauge pressure. And after that, see here the 50% rotation, and maintain the head, constant head 3 kg per centimeter square. We maintained here 3 kg per centimeter. Using this we can maintain the 3 kg per centimeter square. Now we are allowing to flow the water, and now it's maintained 3 kg per centimeter. Now we allowing the flow the water in the penstock pipes, and here we need to maintain the value of speed and pressure at inlet, pressure at throat. The 3 reading we need to note down: pressure at throat, pressure at inlet, and speed. Speed also here varying. So after that, direct go for loading section, and here that first trial is for 0 value, and spring balance reading W1 and spring balance reading W2. Note down that 2 values. It is for trial 1. And after that, the same procedure, we just increase the load for 1 kg. The spring balance load, just increase the load 1 kg. And you may observe the W1 and W2, the loading. And here the when we increase the load, what happens? It will decrease. So you maintain again that constant head is 3 kg per centimeter square. Maintain the constant head is 3 kg. Every time, whenever you are taking the readings, every time, whenever you are increasing the load, every time you should maintain the head is 3 kg per centimeter square. So that readings 1, just it's varied. And here W2, W1 minus W2, the load variation, that is total load will get. The spring balance reading 1, the spring balance reading 2 minus, you get total reading will get. So maintain, observe the pressure at inlet, pressure at throat, take the reading 2 side, that is outward direction we need to take, which one showed black color direction. So we need to measure, we need to note down that value, and note down the speed RPM. Again here this is 3 kg per centimeter square, and again you come back and increase the load for 3. Increase the load for 3, and W1 minus W2. W2 also note down, W1 minus W2, that 2 variation difference will get, that is a total load, final load. Here also you observe the reading. What is the final load? We need to observe that 2 readings, and again you come back and measure the speed after increasing the load, measure the pressure at inlet, pressure at throat, and maintain the constant head 3 kg per centimeter. Again increase the load, for 4 kg, increase the load for 4 kg, and here W2 is also W1 minus W2 will get total load. After that again you go back and measure the speed, pressure at inlet, pressure at throat, and maintain the this one 3 kg per centimeter square, what wind pressure at main press P value, and measure the pressure at inlet, pressure at throat. Deliver pressure we maintain at 3, and RPM is it's varying, speed is varying. So 3 reading you take, and that deliver pressure is constant 3 kg per centimeter. Again you go that loading section and increase the load, again increase the load. Now it is 5, or we can go for more also. Okay, so it's a bit it is 5 only, the small vibration takes place, so it will some variation takes place. So difference between that two loading will get final load. Again measure the load and maintain the deliver pressure constant, measure the load and pressure at inlet, pressure at throat. All the reading we note down, and again go back to loading section, again increase the load, increase the load, (7 kg per centimeter square). Increase the load 7 kg per centimeter square. Observe the change of difference of loads. Here that maintain the speed after increase the load. Observe the speed, pressure at inlet and pressure at throat also you observe, and head should be maintained at constant, that will not change. It is 3 kg per centimeter square. 726.5 is RPM. So this is the procedure of constant head. So when we jet strikes the head, we should maintain the constant head is 3 kg per centimeter throughout the procedure. Throughout the procedure we should maintain one same head. So this is the experiment. So here as the load increases, RPM decreases. There is no any pressure difference pressure difference will not come much, because inlet value is fully open. The first trial is no loading. In that time we need to take the readings, pressure at inlet, pressure at throat also.